Hi, my name is Mark. Welcome to Findmyproperty with Mark. Yes, it's freehold and it's near to nature. Forett at Bukit Timah is open for booking. However, due to the COVID-19, the booking is by appointment only. If you are keen to view the project or you need more information regarding Forett, why not contact me? This is going to be the first project launch in the midst of the pandemic. However, precautionary measures will be in place to ensure the safety of the public. If you like what you've seen so far, why not contact me? My contact number are listed below. If you like, also give me a like, subscribe and share.